Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a Google Chrome extension which allows you to convert your YouTube videos and extract the transcript using ChatGPT. So this is actually an extension, YouTube Transcript, which actually does the job automatically for you. So if you do want to extract a YouTube video transcription, you click on the button and automatically it extracts the transcription from that video in seconds using ChatGPT. So these are the screenshots while you are watching the video. On the right hand side, all the transcript of that video will be automatically extracted. So now to add this, you click the add extension. This extension will be installed. So after that, as you see, it is successfully installed. So we just activate this, and now you visit any YouTube video. Let me open my own video right here, and as you see, the interface looks right here on the right hand side. So while you visit a video on the right hand side, you will see the transcript automatically. So you see this button right here. You click on that. So basically you will see all the subtitles transcription are successfully released. So this is also timestamp is also there. You can click on particular timestamps as well. So you can see all the text have been successfully extracted. So then we also have the export button as well. You can click the export, copy to clipboard as well. So everything will be copied, and after that you can paste it. So you can see that alongside the whole transcript has been extracted and pasted. So behind the scene is actually using the chat GPT to extract whatever is said in the video. So the transcript, so it does this for every video. So you open this and it actually extract the transcript. You can even summarize the video as well with the help of AI. For that you need to log in. So definitely check out this extension YouTube Transcript.